family, also known as Adela Vlogs, is built on the love story of Aditya, Abby, and Elena. They met as young interns in Hong Kong, two dreamers from different worlds, India and the Philippines. Their connection was effortless, love grew during humble beginnings, and together they built a life from scratch. Now in the Philippines, they're raising two baby boys, Adam and Delphi. They're little angels, their journey's full of laughter, challenges, love and grit. Elena is the lioness, strong, fierce, and always protecting her family. Adi is the dreamer who never gave up. Their vlog is about sharing good vibes, their life between India and the Philippines, and inspiring cross-cultural connection and tourism.
Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Hindi pa ako lumalabas. Inutusan ko si Adi gumawa ng kape. But I decided na hindi ko tapat talaga kaya. So, since hindi ko nga kaya pa, parang naano pa ako. Awkwardan. Ganito naman lagi, guys. Yung parang pag-ready ka na. Ganun. Or tatawagin ka na lang nila. Pero ako, sabi na, matigas mo. Oh, sige, matigas. Bababa ako, magde-defrost na lang ako ng manok. Di, bababa ako, di. De-defrost ko yung...
You already did?
I'm going now.
Kidding ah?
Bakit?
Sobrang tagal. I already did the coffee.
Hindi ko kayo nabalikan kasi I ended up cleaning the fridge para alisin yung mga luma na. Kasi tatay ni Adi. Oh, so sad. Yung tatay ni Adi, tinanong ako, guys, anong luluto mo ngayon? Sabi ko, manok. Back to normal na. Mag-a-adobo ako today kasi andyan na sila, di ba? So, may magluluto na ng vegetarian sa taas. So, tapos na nga duty nga ni. Guys, hindi ko na na-startan. Pero we're making butter cookie because they finished the last one.
I miss cookie. I mean cookie. Ah.
We need to make it fluffy first. Pakita mo sa akin. Fluffy. Siyempre, may mistake na naman, guys. I have to melt it muna kasi.
Ah, it wasn't at room temperature.
Okay. Excited ako. So, inikot-ikot ko na siya. Excited eh.
I have a strategy. I can bring your hair, you know, initin tapos melt.
Gago. Hindi nga pwede yung melted na melted. Kailangan yung ano lang siya, yung sakto lang. Landscape na.
Again? Hindi yan ice cream ah.
Cookie eater yan eh. Siya nakaubos nung nakaraan.
Hindi.
Tsaka yung tatay. Miss Bob! Miss Bob! Almost perfect. ano yung fantasy mo? May fantasy ka, di ba? Tutulog daw siya mag-baking. Kasi daw, di, kwento mo yung fantasy mo sa kanila. Kwento mo yung fantasy mo. Hoy! Yan, ang fantasy niya, guys, ay pag nagkamali daw, lalagyan daw ng harina sa face.
Ano ka nang bayad? Ano ka nang bayad?
Pero ang reality, nagsisigawan.
Ako sigaw eh, ikaw sigaw.
Ako?
Hindi ka nang buwan sa team eh.
Pero nabasag.
Gusto mo perfect.
Basag yung reality niya. Ito kasi yung first batch namin. Tingnan niyo kasi, guys.
So what?
Ito kasi yung first batch namin, guys. Iba-iba yung shape. Tapos nung una, gumagawa siya ng letter A, guys. Kung ano na ginagawa niya. So, nababad trip ako kasi gusto ko perfect yung shape. So, ayan ngayon, guys. Ay! Nadurog! Guys, ito yung second batch. Tinoasted kasi nagustuhan niya di yung lasa ng toasted. Ang bango ng baya, may butter cookie. At the end, ito ginawa namin guys, mga dinosaur, Mickey Mouse. Pwede pala ganyan, di. Para hindi na pahirapan mag-piping. Ang hirap pala mag-piping. Anong fantasy mo? Ito yung floor. Ito ka. Kumakain agad. Hayop ka, pinalitan mo yung wallpaper ko. Guys, may adobo kami. Ayaw na kumain ni Adi na adobo. Ang gusto mo kainin?
I want vegetarian.
Vegetarian na daw siya. Pag ako magluluto, siguro magiging vegetarian na si Adi lagi. No? Ilang araw guys, ayaw niya kumain ng Indian food. So nagsiserelak siya. Ngayon Pinoy food, kanin na naman siya. Kanin tsaka ulam.
I'm not beautiful.
We just finished the Paw Patrol movie guys. Same building, meron ditong cafe na social. We are this side guys. Dun sa kaninang port, umalis kami kasi wag na. Hindi na natin kaya eh. Ay, kulay red.
Branches changing. Branches changing.
They should make this. They should make that chili lang naman. And garlic. Let's make.
The oil needs to be
Kabang.
brown golden.
Ilan ba?
6, 8. I think this is the butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
It's good.
Ado, tara dito. Arte ka. Tikman mo. Ah.
Ako. Ako.
Sarap pa. hug. B, Abby. Sabi niya ng pala yung penguin niya. Ado, inside lang ha. Dito kami galing guys. Mall na to. Guys, dito talaga laging pinakamaharot yung mga anak ko. Ice cream. Isa lang, hati-hati na kami. Ado!
Careful, don't hurt.
Ito pala ang itsura ng Ranchi City sa gabi. 9:30 pa lang guys, wala na tao. Masyado. Guys, yung anak ko, may sumpong. Ayaw niyang sumama kahit kanino. Baka mama to eh. Bakit? Ayaw mo sumama? Oo, na, ayun na, say, hi! This is our OOTD today. I bring my bag. Cause we are going to do shopping. Shopping again. Ganda ng makeup. Let's go everybody. It's Sunday. So, yun nga. Gagala kami ulit. Kasi pag, alam niyo naman pag weekdays, walang time si Adi. Si Adi. Ang laki ng t-shirt. Oversize yard. Guys, sa subway.
How you pay?
Uy! Stand up! Ginagaya ka ni Api. Uy, kung dalawa mo.
You want one full?
Oo, full half lang ba yun na ano mo? Full na ganun gusto ko.
Full भी रहता है क्या?
हाँ यहाँ पे देखिए ना वो मिनी सा 4 इंच का रहेगा
अच्छा तो you want full दिबा? एक
We will yeah, long.
2 kg है full, एक स्पाइसी चिकन और एक क्लासिक चिकन.
वो उसमें स्पाइसी चिकन आपका मिनी सब्जी बनेगा अगर आपको सिर्फ चीज से लेना है ना
हाँ.
तो आप यहाँ से चूज कर सकते
अच्छा अच्छा.
हैं ये कस्टमाइज वाली है
तो love, which one do you want? 6 inches. Double egg and cheese omelette, chicken slice, chicken meatball, spicy chicken keema, roast chicken.
Roast chicken.
2 roast chicken कीजिए.
Pizza? Mommy, Mom, I want to eat pizza.
Pizza? We're eating sandwich today. Di, sinusuntok ako Tingnan nyo guys, ang kulit ng dalawa. Si Api, may sinat pa yan kasi nagtititing. Api! Si Ado, makulit na talaga yan. Kain tayo.
Apu! Busy yan eh.
Katatapos lang namin sa H&M. Cute ng red shoes ko na. Yes. Pumuputi na yung tuhod ko. Hindi nyo na mababash yan. Pag tunay na pumuti yan, yari kayo dyan. Puyo kayo dyan sa tuhod ko. Yan yung dalawa. Coffee. And then, Bayan P!
Wait, toy.
Where?
Wait, toy.
Where is that? We're back home. Back home. Shopping hall. Let's go, guys. We went sa Aldo today. So I got my bag and another bag. So unbox natin. I usually buy bag once a year. No? Once a year lang ako nag-buy. Pero this year, I haven't bought any bag. White bag.
Tarang!
It's a Aldo white bag na may sling. Because bugbog na yung black bag ko and almost broken na siya. 4 years na,
It's
3
been
years.
quite some time with that bag.
Tagal ko siyang binibili. I bought Coach sa Singapore. Last year.
Last to last year.
Last year ata.
2024.
Yun yung last bag ko. So ito, ngayon lang ako ulit bumili ng bag.
Alvin, no.
Lang, white. And then, I got another bag. So this one is not for me. It's not for me, but I saw it. And I know someone also. Kung old na yung Aldo bag ko, old na rin yung kanya. And she have been telling me last time na broken na.
Bakit ang ganito lang ito?
Hindi ko alam baka design yan. Na broken na yung kanya. And I know she will like it kasi she can put her phone and then some money. Kaya,
Pero almost same.
but I'm not giving it now. I don't think I will give it now or maybe later, but I will not vlog it. Because I bought it because I genuinely love it when I saw it for her. That's how I am.
Alright, welcome to the first
Yeah.
day of class.
Pero
I hope
hindi
you
ko
all
siya
excited to learn more about
i-vlog
ecosystem.
because I don't wanna,
Now,
and I don't want to give it now because
there's a lot
it
of
might
fascinating
sound
things
like tawag din love. Parang suhol. So I'm not giving it now, but I bought it because I know she will.
Sorry, you were saying something? No one cares, Chester.
And then I have H&M stuff.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're all
Stuffs,
here.
wala nga daw S yun.
Some
Stuff
of these
lang
designers
pala.
require partners,
So I have this
I'll
for
be
my
paying
makeup.
you
The,
more.
ang tawag dito? Yung phone.
Sponge.
Ito bumili
Sponge
ko.
yan.
Yung sponge.
Ito sa akin, always na bumili ko tapos always nang hindi ko alam where it goes.
I bought a long socks for Alice Fantasy.
Now, there's several different options.
I told her to buy it.
Then, because I always have cramps, so maybe because I'm feeling cold in the night.
So you thought of buying this one?
No, Adi thought of buying this one for me kasi nga, literally, I'm having cramps every night. And then, I bought this wide leg. Uy, alam nyo ba, sobrang daming sales sa H&M here. Kasi, magpapalit na ng season.
Ito na, like the
Sobrang mura lang ng nagastos namin. Like, 4,000 pesos.
bill is 7,140. Discount is 3,600.
Oo, kasi magpapalit ng season dito sa India. So, yung mga summer season clothes, sinail na nila, as in mura lang. So, itong pants, wide leg pants na soft. Kasi, if you know, I stopped buying clothes. Pero recently, I lose so much weight. Katulad nito. So, usually, yung mga top ko, guys, ay super big na. Nakikita na yung bra ko. So, I have to change the wardrobe. Little by little. Tapos ito, guys, yung t-shirt. Simple t-shirt lang. Kasi ganun nga. Pumayat nga means.
That just
So, ito din, kulay blue.
I told you already.
Oh
You
my
don't
God.
want to know. And I told you already. That only
Then,
makes me
itong
wanna
dress
know.
naman, it's either for
No,
me, pag di ko nasuot,
It's not a
yung
snake,
pamangkin ko.
okay? Now look, I
Yeah.
have to
Ang
go
mura
downstairs,
kasi, guys.
but I'm
Mais.
saying this for your own good.
For mais
Hey, I
na
get it.
lang.
I won't open the box.
Ano lang,
I won't even look at the
899
box.
rupees.
What
Sale
if I
siya,
just
guys.
smell the box?
Yun na
Pero
sa
sa
patapos.
Pinas, di ko, I don't think it will ever be 500 pesos ha. 899 is almost close to 500 pesos. Gandong damit guys sa H&M.
Oo.
Di ba?
Kasi patapon na siya, Ben. Yung ano na nila, yung i-recycle na nila ulit. Kasi itong dress, guys, jackpot, 899 din. Saan na ba?
There's the
Ayan.
tarantula.
Itong long dress, guys. One time nakikita niyo sa ko siya.
899.
899 rupees, ha?
The price was 2,299. Pero discounted 899. So
2,000
900
to,
lang.
hindi ko to bibili.
Di ba? 2,299. 2,300. Pero discounted at
Wear it sa
800.
house.
You can wear sa house. Pwede naman sa house dress.
Ayan, oh, hanggang taas siya, Ben. House dress. Oh, very mayaman.
Sexy.
And then ito, I have the same,
Did you buy this pen?
She only has 2 days
baka
left.
biggie.
Sino?
I have the same blouse sa Pinas. But that one is medium. So, kita din yung bra ko. Ito ay, ano na to?
This is the extra small.
Small.
Ay, small pala. Parang namoy.
Kasi nga patapon na. Ang dami na humawak. Amoy masala.
Hindi naman masala, pero parang may amoy something.
Tapos bumili ako nito. Panaksak sa, ano, panaksak sa kalaban.
Pero if she's not using the sabi niya, sinasag dito. So if one day hindi ako dito, alam nyo na saan pupunta. Bumili natin ito.
Teddy bear na naman for peeping.
Not one. Not one. Asan na dalawa?
Pag gusto na.
Oo. Galit na ka. Asan na dalawa lang? Meron pa doon.
Spoil na siya.
Oh. Like puro elephant.
Oh, wala
Elephant
na
dito. Oh, elephant mo. Ay.
no.
Tapos na, mama. I'm so sorry.
Cute eh, na nakamedyas na.